Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital stickers on Etsy. Let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva, and then what you need to do next is then choose a design size. So you could either choose Instagram post, mobile video, Instagram story, logo, presentation, and then so on. But for this video, I'm going to choose logo. So now I'm going to change the background color of the page. You could either decide to do so or not. It is your choice. So I'm going to click on the page. And what you'll notice is that there is a purple border around the page. So now I'm going to go to the corner and then I'm going to select background color. So there is like a range of colors that you can choose from. I'm going to use this one, for example, royal blue. So what you need to do now is go to the left side of the screen and then select elements. And then you need to search for your design. So I'm going to search up bunny and then press enter. Now, after you're done searching for your design, instead of going to all, you're going to go to graphics. So there are plenty of designs that you can choose from. I'm going to use this one, for example, just by clicking on it. And if you go to the image, you'll notice that you can drag it around. I'm just going to put it here in the corner. And then you're going to go to the corner here and press edit image. So now you're going to scroll down a bit and you'll see a heading which says FX effects. So under that, you're going to see something which says shadows. So you're going to press on that. So now I'm going to select glow. So now I'll scroll down again. I will increase the size and then change the intensity to nearly 100. And then I'm going to change the blur amount to almost 0. And you can also change the color of it. So I'm going to select white. So now I'm going to go to the left side of the screen and then I'll select text. And then you can choose a text font that you want. So I'm going to use this one, for example, which says fun. Press on that, click on it, and then you can change the text. I'm going to put in love. I'll expand it from the side and then reduce it a bit. And then drag it, reduce it again. And there, beautiful. So you can keep repeating this. You can go back to elements again, search for a design. This time I'm going to search up dog and then press enter. I'll scroll down again. I'll use this one, for example, just by pressing on it or clicking on it. I'll drag it somewhere over here. And then I'll go to edit image. So now I'll scroll down again. After doing so, you're going to see the heading FX effects. Now under that, shadows. And then press glow. And then I'll just scroll down again. Increase the size. And then reduce the blur amount. And then increase the intensity to almost 100. And then you can change the color to any color that you want. So I'm just going to choose white again. And there you have it. Beautiful. And then you can add text again. Go to the left side of the screen, press text. I'm going to use this one, for example, which says wow. Press on the text. And then you can change the text to whatever you want it to let's say puppy. And then I'll just expand it from the side and then reduce it a bit. And then drag it and add it there. There you go. Now you have a sticker. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.